So today we are going to start with DSA. Here we have the topics listed for which we are going to do. So today we are having starting from foundational concepts, which is time and space complexity, recursion, backtracking, iterative and recursive approaches, memoization, dynamic programming basics, data structures, which has linear data structures like array, string, linked list, stacks, queues. Okay. Non-linear data structures include trees, binary tree, binary search tree, ABL tree, segment tree, Fenwick tree, Trie, and array trees, graphs, hashing, heaps, and others, which may include disjoint, set, bloom filter, skip list, algorithms, which may include sorting algorithms, which is bubble sort to work with up till bucket sort, searching algorithms, graph algorithms, alright, dynamic programming, reading algorithm, backtracking, manipulation, math algorithms, and we've got some advanced topics. Okay, and some problem solving patterns. As for the language, we are probably going with C++ because it's really good for competitive coding and it's got fast execution speed. It's got a steep in syntax. As for that, we searched what it is, and what we found is the steep syntax would mean it's more verbose and complex. Okay. And it needs understanding of things like data types, pointers, templates, headers, and object management. Interesting. We'll look into it, how to see that. Okay, we need to be precise with details. Okay. Interesting. So I didn't see much difference though. So as for manual memory management, this is a list of 5 zeros. We print 5 arrays and it will be automatically freed when the array goes out of scope. But in case of C++, we allocated a memory for 5 integers. We're supposed to delete it. Causes a memory leak. So we'll see through it and how it goes. So I think that's the introduction for what we're planning for DSA.